The Infinix GT20 Pro is an interesting device. Made for gaming, it is a great device to have for anyone who wants to go outside and start gaming. Infinix started their GT line in 2023 with the GT10. It was a fan favorite among people who already knew the name Infinix. People love the phone and performance, so in lieu of that, they decided to push people's expectations to the next level. From a beautiful device to powerful in its price range, it is amazing. And this is everything that comes inside the box normally, and this is what you can buy extra. This one is a partnership with PUBG Mobile. What you get if you buy this phone is you get this box, which is the 256 gigabytes, and this one is 12 gigabytes of RAM with 12 gigabytes of expandable RAM. Now, the other things you get in this box that you can buy separately are these magnetic gaming triggers, which allow you to start playing games. You can sit it down on the phone and you can actually play games, and it tells you how to set it up in game. This is the magnetic cooler, which charges via Type-C to Type-C, so you can plug it into your phone. It comes with these finger condoms, as they call it, and then it also comes with an extra magnet, so if you want to put this on a phone that doesn't support magnetic, you can. And then you can just plop this down, plug it in, and it will turn on and it will start playing. So when you start opening the phone, you open it up by going like this. Oops. And this one, since it's PUBG, you get a cool PUBG logo and says, "Welcome to the world of GT." This is actually really cool. You open it up like this, and then like this, and it says Grand Gaming Tour, outplay the rest. Now in here, what do you get? You get a how to installation guide for a screen protector, which is a tempered glass one, and you get a silicone case, which is blue in the box. And then you get a GT SIM tool. So that's actually quite neat. And then you get yourself the GT20 Pro. And then other things in the box include a 45 watt brick and a wire, which is Type-C to Type-A. And then you also get some headphones in the box. You get some USB-C headphones in the box. Let's take out the phone. So this phone is quite cool, has a regular screen, power button, in-screen fingerprint. Infinix decided on putting a really nice little RGB half circle on the back of the phone to either show off during gaming or to be used as a notification LED, which actually came in handy for me. Wish more companies would do this, because you have nothing doing this and some other gaming brands maybe, but you have at least Infinix doing that too. You get 256 gigabytes of storage with 8 or 12 gigabytes of RAM with 12 gigabytes of extra expandable RAM expansion storage, virtual RAM. The huge 6.78 inch screen paired with the Dimensity 8200 Ultimate seems like a very nice pairing. You may wonder how well the screen size affects the performance. Well, Infinix put thought into this. They partnered with Pixelworks to put their X5 Turbo display chip inside. This is cool because what the chip does is take away any rendering of the display from the processor, allowing that to only process a game on the phone, with the X5 Turbo doing all the processing for the screen. This allows the phone to hit 90 FPS in Call of Duty, 90 FPS in PUBG, 120 in MLBB, and so forth. Paired with a JBL tuned dual speaker setup and their X-axis linear motor, this seems like the perfect setup.
In some ways I'm truly different, in some way I kept myself.
If during gameplay you want the phone to be even cooler, Infinix sells a magnetic cooler that attaches to the back of the phone cover which covers up part of the RGB lighting. The 5000 mAh battery is powered by a 45-watt charger with a 45-watt brick in the box. What's nice is this brick is USB PD3, which means that if the phone gets too hot, the device will slow down charging to cool down and go back up to 45 watt when it needs to. This phone is not just a gaming phone because it's a very powerful phone for daily use, and it works extremely fast. Now, Infinix promised 2 major Android updates and 3 years of security updates. It may be less than some other brands, but who really promises 2 plus 3 years worth of updates to the phone anyway? Besides big brands. 108 megapixel OIS main camera will take very good pictures. Even if you don't game, this phone may be the perfect phone for you to buy just even as a daily driver.